Okay, ready? Maya? A lizard? Can we be a lizard? Can you be a lizard?
Papa, a deer.
A deer?
Okay, be a deer.
Does a deer run?
Ooh. What's this? What's this right here?
Is that his nose?
No.
What is it?
It's elk. Here.
Elk antlers. Elk antlers.
You have ears?
No, I have antlers. Do you have antlers?
Yeah, move.
You're a moose?
You're a moose.
You're a moose.
Maya, what does a lizard do? Wow, they make a lot of noise too.
Does a moose have antlers like this?
Yeah.
And then they dance around. But a deer, what does a deer do?
What does a deer do?
Deer smiles.
On your town.
You all done?